This is a short webinar on the Sage Intacct dashboard and how easy it is to create and modify them. Here's a finished dashboard in Sage Intacct with KPIs at the top, with trend reports, bar graphs, pie charts, and budget versus actual reports below. Sage Intacct dashboards are easy to create and very flexible in developing different components, whether there be KPIs, graphs, reports, or trends. Here's an example of a QuickBooks dashboard. It's very basic and there's not much creativity for your CFO or controller to enhance. It's definitely not a tool for future growth. In today's competitive landscape, CFOs and controllers need the flexibility to scale and build new and creative KPIs to measure progress on their dashboards. Think of QuickBooks as a very basic tool, whereas Sage Intacct can give you the enhanced view for dashboard visibility. Here's the Sage Intacct dashboard fully loaded. Its design is intuitive and user-friendly. Users can add elements on the fly or edit existing ones to change a filter or edit an existing component. Today, every major function needs a dashboard. The CFO, the controller, the finance manager, or the credit manager can all have their own dashboards. Let's get started. We're going to show you how easy it is to build a dashboard in Sage Intacct on the fly, and how easy it is to create and revise the dashboard for the Green Apple Company. We're going to use the new user interface in Sage Intacct, which will be mandated sometime in 2018. The first step is going to be to create a new dashboard, and we'll give it a name of Controller. We'll add the first dashboard by hitting the plus sign. And we'll put in a title of Controller. And we'll make it a default and save. Next step will be to view components. And this will start with a blank page because we haven't built anything yet. So to add a new component, we basically just hit the plus sign. And we have 6 different component types, from general to chart, performance card, record, report, and smart links. We're going to pick a performance card, and that's really a KPI. And we're going to be titling it cash. And we'll pick the account group of cash at end of period. And we're going to keep it as compare period to prior period. And we'll hit save. Now we show a performance card or a KPI for cash, no change versus prior period. We'll do another component as easy as hitting the plus sign. And now we'll do a report. And we will select financials, income statement. And save. And this is our second component. We'll add one more component, again another plus sign. And we'll select a chart. And this will be sales by franchise. Save. And now we have a KPI, a chart, sales by franchise, and a report, income statement. Let's talk about design functionality. It's easy to grab a component and move it up or down as displayed here. So you can move components left or right, up or down, just by making sure you look for that cross sign before you move it. Now let's do a filter on a franchise. So we're going to move the franchise to the top, and we'll do a filter, and we'll change the chart style from line to column, and save. And now we have a bar chart for the sales by franchise. So now we'll go to the income statement, and we'll use the edit pencil. We'll go to the rows tab. And here we want to see all the line items identified with the G&A or general administrative. So we just hit a checkbox here, always display. We can preview it. And again, it's going to show all the lines associated with general administrative in case one wanted to do an audit. We can go back, uncheck, preview again, and we're back to ground zero with just the 3 line items for general administrative. So again, this is a very short demonstration, but I wanted to show the capability of Sage Intacct for creating very flexible dashboards, and quickly you can become an expert at building a dashboard. Thanks for your time, and look for our next 5-minute webinar on creating custom reports in Sage Intacct.